Sup, amis? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a motherfucking year or two. Well, it's been like a year. Yeah, it's been like a year. And I just been gone from YouTube because it ain't like anybody looking at my shit. And it's not like that I have even 200 subscribers. But whatever. I'm just gonna be doing videos now. So we'll just see how it goes in 2021. So for the first video of the new year, it's going to be an unboxing. So I ordered a new wig from this hair company called Flavors of Hair. I'll put up a picture somewhere around the screen of the screenshot of the wig that I purchased. So it's called the Tiffany wig and it's 26 inches. It's a frontal wig, human hair, of course. And it's like a highlighted honey blonde brown wig and it's straight hair. I think it's straight hair or body wave, but I'm pretty sure it's a straight wig. And I'm gonna get it installed sometime in the second week of February, but we'll see, if fingers crossed, because the snow really fucked up my plans, so we'll just see how it goes. So I'll just quickly do like a breakdown on the process, shipping, handling, and all that good stuff, so stay tuned. Alright y'all, so like I said, I ordered from a company called Flavors of Hair and I ordered a Tiffany wig, 26 inches. It's a frontal wig again. So I first ordered it in the beginning of January. I forgot exactly the exact date. I probably will put the exact date somewhere around here. But I ordered it either on the first or second week of January and everything went through. Then days later, I get a call from a number in Florida. I dubbed it. I got another call from the same number, still dubbed it. Then I get a text from that number and it's from, I would say like a representative from the hair company letting me know that I guess like the payment system is down, which is weird because it went through. But she said, he or she said that they're gonna refund me the money. So I paid $207 and change, and that's with tax and I believe shipping, unless shipping was free. But yeah, so I got the refund and then I PayPal'd the company the money again, and I did that on January 16th or the 18th. It was on a Saturday that I did that I resent them the money, and I didn't get the hair until January 30th. The good thing about the hair company is that they text you, they give you updates, and they give you the tracking information. They email it to you as well as text you the tracking number, and they also give you another email notifying you that the hair has been shipped, as well as providing a tracking number. So that's what I like about them. They're very responsive, and it's not like you wait like days for them to respond. They're really quick with the responses and they always reach out. So that's what I really appreciate with this company. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to open it now and we'll just see what it looks like. So I already put in the screenshot of what the hair looks like. So I'm gonna open it so you guys can see my honest reaction. Oh shoot. The packaging is so pretty. Look at the packaging. It's silver. Look at the embroidery design. It's like giving me vineyard vibes. This is really cute. It's a cute gift box. So this is the wig. So this is what the wig looks like. I'm sniffing it. It doesn't really smell chemically, but this is what it looks like. I guess it's a free part. Well, I guess you gotta make your own part. And this is what the lace looks like. I'm not sure what type of lace this is. I don't know if it's an HD lace or a Swiss lace or just a regular old lace. I think it looks pre-plucked. I'm not sure. I'm not a professional, clearly. But y'all tell me. The wig also has combs. So it has combs like at the top of your head, at the sides of your temples, as well as at the bottom, like the back, the nape of your head. And it also comes with adjustable drawstrings as well, if you can see. I don't know, this don't look like a 26-inch to me. I need a ruler and I don't have one, so that sucks. But let me see. This don't look like a 26-inch to me. I'm sorry. This is not a 26-inch in my opinion. It's like, no, this ain't no motherfucking 26-inch. Why y'all fucking lying to me? Am I bugging? They said 26-inch, right? Did they say 26-inch? Yo, I don't know anymore. I gotta go look at the text message to see. Because I don't know. This don't look like a 26-inch to me, unless I don't know. But we'll just see how it look on my head, like once I get it installed. But this don't look like a 26-inch to me. I'm not trying to be like a bitch or anything, but it don't look like a 26-inch. And I like hair long, but we'll just see. It feels nice. It feels really thick. I really love the color. The color is so pretty. I hope it looks good on me because it's been a while. I shouldn't even talk. It's not like that I never did color before, or even like this to some degree. So I shouldn't even be tripping. But we'll just see. We'll just see how it looks on me. But yeah, this is the hair from Flavors of Hair Company. There's no chemical smell. It feels nice, but we'll see how it does while it's on my head and everything. I'm running my hands through it, so that's good. There's no tangles or anything. It's not shedding right now, so that's good. I'm still wondering if this is a 26-inch. Like, I don't know. I'm not good at math, and I don't think this is a 26-inch. I'm still on the fact that this may not be a 26-inch, but I don't know. But like I said, we'll just see what it looks like. I don't know, but I feel I'm just saying the same shit. I don't know what I did with that hairnet. I'm pretty sure this came with a hairnet, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, it's right here. But yeah. There's no receipt or anything in here. It just literally came with a box and the hair. So yeah. But I did discover this hair company through this person that I follow on Instagram, and she's bomb as fuck. So I seen her rocking this wig. I think it's the same wig. So I asked her about it, and she provided me with the necessary information, and I took that into consideration before purchasing, and bada boom bada bing, here we go. So we'll just see how the final look is. So I'm gonna put this away on my own. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and tell your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.